everyone, Ilchibuko here. I am here at Sedona Mago Retreat Center, Healing Garden area, where I think it's the most beautiful place here at Sedona Mago Retreat. So today I wanted to share this energy with you at this healing garden, where it's like an oasis in the desert. So today's topic is about becoming one with nature. And yes, when we are having a challenging time or a lot of emotion or a lot of thinking, thoughts, we can go into the nature, and there's some magic in the nature that even if you have those feelings or thoughts, somehow it's released as you are inside of the nature and connect with it. But I want to mention that actually it's not about becoming one with the nature, because we are already one with her. We always have been and we always will be. So when we say becoming one with nature, I believe we are saying that our consciousness or awareness is becoming one with nature. Because we live with what I want to call it, separation consciousness. So when we are living with this separation consciousness in our mind, in all level, individual, even people and the earth, we begin to see things differently from our original nature. So for example, when we live in a separatedness with ourselves and that we're not connecting with ourselves, then when something happens to us and we feel emotions, we don't know what to do with that emotion. And when emotion comes, we may have this reactive lifestyle, whether that is anger or sadness, depending on the environment and circumstances, we begin to act as that, and we begin to identify as that angry person or sad person. Also, on the other extreme, we may actually try to numb the pain of being in emotion. So we may try to run away from ourselves or numb the pain by doing something else so that we don't have to feel that pain. So maybe drinking, you can think of those things, drinking, sex, and eating too much like that. So this is what happens when we are separated from ourselves. And we don't know how to stay within ourselves to even go through this pain or emotion. And this is what we do here, to connect with ourselves and to even go through those pain or feeling of it, and healing. So that's one level. And about separatedness from other people, that is like this, where because we are feeling disconnected from other people, we may begin to doubt what they are going to do to you. So what's going to happen to me by other people's actions. So we may not have complete trust in what other people may do to you. And also we may take it personally when things happen. Actually, things just happen all around us, like weather. And we don't have much control over weather, isn't it? how other people may be acting is just part of that environment. But when we have a separatedness from ourselves, we may begin to see others may be doing something to you. And in a level of separatedness from the earth, actually we live like we are separated from the earth, or earth is something that we use or utilize for our resources, for us to succeed or for individual or companies' benefits, so that we can move forward with achievement or attaining something. But what is the real picture here? Actually, human being is only temporary visitor to the earth, as you know. So if, let's say that life of the earth itself is 24 hours, life of human being on the earth is only the last 1 second of that 24 hours. We are here as a visitor, and earth doesn't need us, but we need the earth. So in our busy daily life, we may have forgotten this big picture that we are here to be harmonious with nature, but somehow we began to try to satisfy our ego or our emotion or our desire, which is not our true nature, but we live for that somehow. We say that we have infinite creative power within us, but if we are not awakened to this truth, that we are all one and connected, and if we don't live earth-centered life, somehow we may not be able to continue to keep going on this planet Earth, because we are only part of the whole. But the part is trying to control the whole. It doesn't make sense, is it? So what is really important for us is to realize that connectedness within ourselves. So I want to say, journey towards yourself or journey within ourselves. And as we do so, we can get to know ourselves more. And with that, we will feel that connection with people around us, and we will feel that connection with the Mother Earth. So today I want to show you what we do here at Sedona Mago Retreat when we have programs and trainings, to have this sense of connectedness within us, that is to feel the energy. So we are made up of energy, all of us, the vibration, and where we can feel the vibration is in our hands. If you are by yourself at home right now, you can utilize both hands for yourself. And if you are with another person, or if you have somebody next to you, we can feel this energy with each other. So I'm going to invite somebody very special. Her name is Hamyeon. Before we do hands meditation, we can do meditation with the eyes. So if you are at home by yourself, you can just watch us and you can still feel the energy. If you are at home with somebody, you can share this together with your loved one or somebody who you are with. So face each other, yeah, and simply looking at each other's eyes. And through the eyes, we can feel something. You don't have to try to be somebody or say something. And you can begin to feel another person's heart as well as yours. Okay, so now you can bring your hands. Yeah. So with the hands, you can feel the energy. So now I can feel already some tingling, prickling sensation. So we're gonna repel our hands each other and then push closer. And again, and push closer. You can focus on the hands and pull away and closer. And keep thinking hands, hands. And now you can push the energy or another person be pulled. And push, be pushed. And pushing again. And be pushed. So I am receiving energy from her and I am sharing the energy with her. Receiving and sharing. And receiving and sharing. Like that. Thank you so much. Yeah. Okay. So now, just like I did with Hamyeon, I would like to do the meditation with the nature. So if you are near nature, you can step out with your phone or computer if Wi-Fi is working, or you can watch me doing this meditation with a tree. So first, you can receive the permission from the nature or the tree. That's what I usually do. Okay, so it's okay for me. And now, just like I looked at Hamyeon's eyes, I'm going to look at the tree. And I could feel the age of the tree. And I could feel the energy of the tree. So sometimes you can use the 5 senses to connect with that energy. And now you can bring hands. Once again, hands are the places where you can sense the vibrational energy. So you can bring the hands like you are doing the partner meditation. So receiving the energy and sharing the energy. Receiving and sharing. So you can breathe in and receiving and breathing out and sharing your energy and breathing in, receive the energy and breathing out and sharing the energy. And as you do the energy exchange, we begin to feel there is no separation between you and the tree or you and the nature. And you can begin to feel this big energy from what you're meditating with, so my case, with a tree. And you can naturally feel this feeling is coming up, which is gratitude. Thank you. So you can do the meditation with gratitude. Thank you for being here for many, many years, watching over us. I'm sorry that human being has lost or forgotten to be connected with you. Thank you for reminding us who we are and our truest nature, or the truth about our existence together with the earth. I'm grateful to you. Like that. And then after that, you can hug the tree also and feel the energy together. And you may be feeling that the tree is hugging you too and embracing you with the energy. And also, you can touch your forehead and receive the message from the tree. Like that. So I hope you are able to connect with the nature or feel the nature through watching this. So I hope you enjoy the short meditation with the nature. And you can do that while you are walking around or step outside to go for a walk. What I wanted to share with you today about becoming one with the nature is first becoming one with yourself. And yourself that is not the emotion or thought, but your truest nature. With that, you are able to feel why you are here, why you exist on this earth, like you are part of this beautiful nature. And we will begin to live to benefit your neighbors, the people around you, or even benefit the earth, not other way around. This is my wish for you. So I hope this helped you. And if you liked this type of meditation, and also if you want to know how to get in touch with yourself more, in this kind of a time that we are going through right now in the world, we have decided as Sedona Mago Retreat to share Mago mindfulness class to feel the energy. So energy, yoga and meditation, Qigong and breathing. We are offering the practice online live stream for free 4 times a week. So if you are interested in finding more about it, you can send an email at info@sedonamagoretreat.org. Also, in this kind of time, we wanted to do something to benefit the whole world or to share love. We decided to hold lantern prayer ceremony, and that is held on April 7th, Tuesday at 7 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. And we'll be live streaming it. And you can send in your wish for the world or loved one or people who are having difficulties at this time. You can write the wish and send in to us. And the information is there at sedonamagoretreat.org website. So I hope that you can check it out and have a moment to share your sincere and beautiful wish for people and the world. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye. We decided to perform a full-moon lantern ceremony. Our intention is to stand together
and send love and hope to the world. With this ceremony, our combined prayer, wishes, and dreams will create healing energy. We can send the positive vibrations with bright consciousness to all of humanity. This loving energy can spread to others so that we all start to act from a place of love. Please come share your prayers with us. Visit our website at sedonamagoretreat.org to send us your individual prayers and intentions.